Hey, what's up? In this video, let's talk about how to use Claude Code as your JARVIS assistant, just like Tony Stark. No, I don't think so. We are really far away from that. But I think that you're gonna have a lot of good tools to use daily in your environment of development. So first of all, please log in your account in Claude Code. Open the terminal for that, okay? And the first comment that I think that you're gonna have a lot of benefits. Maybe if you're a manager or you are making a lot of repetitive tasks, you can use the loop command. So you can use it for create repetitive comments. Just like if you create one task scheduler, you is really easy. You just type loop as the examples are displaying, then you set the time. The minimal interval is 1 minute. Then I'm gonna set 1 minute and just say search in Google the USD exchange rate for euro. Okay. Of course, I'm not gonna wait 1 minute because you don't have that much time. I really know you are a busy guy, but is this so you can use this command really easy? Then you're gonna improve your time management. Okay. So another command that is really useful is the voice command. Okay. So here is disabled because it was already enabled. Then I'm gonna enable it again. Okay. So just read it. Voice mode enabled. Hold space. Record, and the language is English by default. You must press the space button and says whatever do you want. Research in Google what is the exchange rate between USD and Euro. Just wait a sec. Paying a lot of tokens, of course. Okay, web searching. Okay, $1 is equal to 0.865 euros. Okay, it makes sense. Is this the voice comments working pretty well? It helps us when we need to type a lot of prompts. I don't think it's the better approach than gonna help us, of course. Jarvis is really smarter than that, but you're gonna have a lot of benefits using these voice comments. And the last comment that is really useful is the remote control. It's not enabled for every organizational account. So if you are using your corporative account in Claude Code, maybe you're gonna need to ask permissions for your manager. Okay, but it's really useful when you know you need to go to the bathroom or something just like that. You just use your smartphone, even if you are using Android or iPhone, then you're gonna have one interaction with the current session. So you're gonna access your current session using one QR code, and you're gonna control remotely. It's not so good as using the CLI directly in the laptop environment, but you're gonna have a lot of benefits because you can allow permissions or deny permissions, review what has been doing. As I say, it's not good as using the CLI, but of course you're gonna keep working remotely. So this is really, really good. I'm not gonna share my smartphone screen, but you can try it by yourself. So if you type remote control, you're gonna say show QR code, then we're displaying the CLI. You're gonna scan using your smartphone, and you're gonna connect your session with your application. So is this, we are, as I said, we are far away from the Jarvis assistant of Tony Stark, but of course in the future, in the next years, we're gonna have really, really good AI models to help us with any kind of tasks that we need. Not just programming, but for daily tasks. So is this. Don't forget to subscribe if you have any questions, any comments, or even if you want to talk about any subject, please type in the comment sections here below. And I appreciate it. Please like this video and see you in the next video.